In this video, we will walk you through how to create a new order step by step. Start from the homepage by completing the order form and clicking Estimate Price. Once the price is displayed, click Checkout to proceed. Step 1. Load information. Begin by entering your vehicle details, including the VIN code, year, make, model, and vehicle type. Indicate whether the vehicle is inoperable, an electric vehicle, or containing personal items. You can upload vehicle photos if necessary and add multiple vehicles if needed. Make sure to save each vehicle after entering the information so you can continue to the next step. Step 2. Pickup information. Enter the desired pickup date. If you require a specific date, enable the strict pickup date option. If the vehicle will be picked up from a business location, enable pickup from business and provide the company name and phone number, followed by the full address. Then, enter the contact person's name, phone number, and email address in case the primary business contact is unavailable. You may also include driver instructions if needed. To save time, you can use autofill from profile to automatically complete the fields using your saved information. Step 3. Delivery information. Enter the desired delivery date and enable strict delivery date if an exact delivery date is required. If the vehicle is being delivered to a business, enable delivery to business, enter the company name and phone number, and provide the delivery address. Add the contact person's name, phone number, and email address in case the main contact is unavailable. You can also include additional notes if necessary, or use autofill from profile to complete the information quickly. On the right side of the screen, you will see the price summary. Here, you can select whether the customer is a business or an individual using the data from your profile. The invoice will be generated automatically. You will also see pickup and delivery addresses with full details and total mileage, the list of vehicles added in the first step, available additional services, and a detailed price breakdown. You also have the option to submit your own price offer if you wish to adjust the total amount. Next, select the payment type, either online payment or cash on delivery. If you choose cash on delivery, only the broker fee and processing fee will be charged to your card once the order enters the en route status. The remaining balance must be paid in cash directly to the driver upon delivery. Finally, post the order on Marketplace. Your order will be published on the Marketplace. Once a carrier submits an offer, you will receive a notification and can proceed accordingly.